Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate bars are made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
The mixture is carefully balanced with sugar and milk powder inside industrial mixers, ensuring the perfect smoothness and texture.
Cocoa beans are ground between massive steel rollers until they release their rich liquor. Sugar and dried milk are added, each in precise proportion.
Adjusting the primary coolant flow. Keep an eye on sector gamma.
Understood.
Every batch is refined and tested for perfect texture and quality.
Change before cover hours. Retrieved product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate bars are made, from start to finish.